Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called AI BulkShorts and it's from Ramrawat, and in a nutshell is an AI driven application that creates hundreds of YouTube and Instagram short videos for you, and this you can do without even needing any skill of editing because it does it itself. And also with this you can just put in a simple keyword on any niche of your choice, and this very application is going to churn out videos up to 100 to 300 videos per one keyboard that you fix in order to get these videos done. And it's going to help you actually massively blow yourself on any of the social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram, and of course the rest of them. So it's an amazing product from Ramrawat, and it's going live today, the 8th of November 2023 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which is, I believe, 4 p.m. Central European Time and 3 p.m. GMT. I think the times have changed. Maybe I am mistaken here, but definitely 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is going to be live. So now let us see what we can do with this one. If you stick with me on this very review, I'm going to show you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are actually very good to actually make up and complement with this application. You know, a lot of them out here. I also show you the pricing for this product, and of course take you to the very dashboard area where you are going to see the tabs and how they work, and also play you the demo video of this product in action so that you see exactly what you want here. At any time you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page where you are going to find the appropriate button to actually get a copy for yourself, something like this. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Now let us see exactly what Ramrawat is saying this product is going to do for you. It says that this is one keyword and this equals to 300 short videos, which you can use in your marketing or anything you want on any niche. It could be health, it could be fitness, it could be make money online niche, or any niche whatsoever. It could be food, whatever it is that you have. You are going to use a keyword and then of course get 300 short videos as you desire. Now this is exactly what it does, and you can do this in any niche with zero editing. It works for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, and you can make up to $800 a day on completely autopilot, and you can dominate that particular niche of your choice. Now let us go further to look at some of the benefits. With this one click, one keyword into hundreds of videos in seconds, that's exactly what it does, and no editing is required in recording, animating, or any form of anything is done, because the AI does all the job, and you can generate with this application thousands of clicks every hour without paying for ads, and you can generate viral and converting videos without paying for any expensive apps. And AI monetization turns these very views into cold hard cash, and no complicated setup is required. Get up and running in 2 minutes once you go through the training on the dashboard area I've just shown you moments ago. You dominate all short videos platforms at once, and the only app that hardcore with AI and uses an embedded AI model. And of course, no need to buy any other expensive, complicated applications, and you have 30-day money back guarantee, which means in 30 days, if for any reason or without even any reason you want to return this product, you'll be able to do so and get your refund full. So that's exactly what it takes. Now, at any point you decide along the line, when you arrive, by clicking that very first link below in my description area, you'll be able to get a copy using this when the product goes live 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let's see if we can go through the steps. The first step is to actually input a keyword. It could be generate a video on Asian food, something like that, and then you find out that this product is going to, in step 2, unleash hundreds of videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, Facebook, and more. And it is integrated in a way that these very videos will be published to these platforms that is linked with you using the API arrangement, which is going to be possible on the dashboard. And then step 3 will definitely be to profit. And then so every time you create a new campaign, you make up to 500 to 1,000 per day. And that means you will be promoting a product or a service for which the video is attracting the audience, depending on the niche of your choice. So it is a very straightforward case here, and I will leave the rest of the review when you arrive here to actually help you see if that decision to use this application from Ramrawat. It was just like this that I reviewed the other day. A client actually reached me and said that he thinks this is going to work and asked some questions, and now I think that person is creating videos. So this is a very similar application with that, and I like this one a lot as well. Okay, so you get to read some of this for yourself. Let's see if we can see things that are going to be possible for us to see now. You see TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. You have also Instagram videos and TikTok and the rest of them. So you have these Reels that are going to actually get the audience, because you know attention is very scarce now when it comes to people. So if you have a short video out there which covers whatever you are trying to actually give as services, possibly something you have changed, this may help a lot to actually attract the help you're rendering in service to others, and this will definitely make you very successful. And this is going to be the machine you are going to use to chop out that in a matter of seconds and be able to do whatever else you want to do with your life. So that's why I like some of these AI applications, because it makes life easy, and of course make you make money to be able to independent and stop going to these 9-to-5 jobs that normally helps us get unfulfilled in life. So that is the essence of the reasons why I am on this review business, to bring out products that can help anybody who is serious to actually get paid online. I mean, everybody's online, as you can see. So this is one instrument that is going to help you. I think there are several testimonials which you are going to read at your convenience when you arrive here. But for now, what we are definitely going to do is to take a look at the members area, and then of course see if we are going to play the video so that you see exactly what it works. Normally I am waiting for the review access to this product from Rami, my friend, but it's not available, and of course I have to show you the video. But in any case, this is exactly what you find in the dashboard area when you buy this product. Here you have the project, you have the thumbnail editor to announce yourself, because thumbnails are so important, because that's exactly what hooks your audience, where they actually see the line of what you are trying to promote or what you are trying to render as service. And when that thumbnail is good, definitely you will attract the eyeballs that will get the clicks to actually patronize whatever good service you are having. Okay, and now you can create videos with this button: background remover, audio editor, and you have image and video scaler, you have image former, viral shots finder, agency user, and done for you edition. All the rest of them, everything will be there for. But for now, without wasting more time or waiting for the very password that I've been waiting for, let us just play the video that I was privileged to get, so that you see how it's going to work when it is in action, and exactly how you can use it to replicate your videos and definitely get the eyeballs you need to. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and training courses that are going to definitely help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the very bonuses that I have for you, as well as see if we can take a look at the bonuses and surely the prices. So now the front end goes for $17, which is going to definitely give you access to this software, and of course that will be an amazing feed for you. Let's see it more in details. In this case, $17.95 for the very dashboard area, and it gives you all of these features. With just one click, you turn a keyword into hundreds of videos. It has SDXL and DALL-E based AI image generator for shorts, and you have AI video script generator. You have 84 million premium stock images and videos and music. I mean, it's loaded, the front end alone. So imagine the pro version, which is exactly this, which goes for $37. And here you create up to 100 shots per day, unlimited AI video scripts, unlimited AI image generation, white label your own videos with unlimited video brandings and unlimited video renderings. I mean, this is crazy what you have with the Pro Edition. Now you have the OTO number 2, which is the upgrade number 2, which goes for $77, and this one is called the Done For You Edition. This basically means that everything is done for you by the support team of this very launch, and that means you are not going to lift a finger in order to get this working for you. I mean, churning out and directing the videos to your platforms, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, whatever you have out there, it's going to be linked with your dashboard so that these videos are produced and shunned out to these platforms immediately without you having to do it. That's why it's called autopilot. Now you have the OTO number 3, the upgrade number 3. It goes for $77 as well, and this is a traffic edition where you get unlimited amounts of traffic from the dashboard and from the sources supporting this very application. Now you have the upgrade number 4, which is $77 as well, and this one is called Fast Profit Edition. You have upgrade number 5, which is the Agency Edition, goes for $77. This means that this very launch board will do all the hard work for you. They will set up the entire business for you and replicate their business, which they are giving out in this application instantly. You have the upgrade number 6 as for $147, and this one is the Reseller Edition. That means you can resell this product as if it's your own, and you have all these upgrades to make money from, and these are explosive and very well thought out upgrades that will definitely help you. So I will recommend you buy the front end, which is obligatory, and of course see if you can take the very done for you edition. That's completely up to you, and of course this is the old Pro version, which is, I believe, part of the unlimited version for $37. So that's about what we have with this very one. Now let us see exactly what I have for you as my bonuses. The number 1 is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which will help you start from scratch and know what you are doing online by making your business not only start off and of course grow it exponentially. You have number 2, the list building expert. This is the most important. It takes some skills to actually get this done, and when this is done, you'll be making money on demand, and you have that knowledge with that button. Now you have number 3, internet marketing fast track. Number 4 will be affiliate marketing secrets. You have 30 day to bigger email list ebook, and you also have the chatbot marketing mastery. You have building the perfect sales funnel, which is very important. You have blogging for profit. You have email list building blueprint, and also copywriting crackdown. These are going to be yours. Once you buy this product on my WordPress account, you will definitely find a page under your purchase history that will give you access to this very application, and of course give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And believe me, this is where we are going to gradually come to the end of this very amazing AI BulkShorts application, which helps you create shorts in bulks in hundreds using one single dashboard and one single keyword, and this will definitely generate you the views and the clicks you need to make money online. So it's going live today, the 8th of November 2023 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's when these buttons I've shown you are going to be operational. With that said, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, guys, and from me is goodbye.